Couldn't have picked a better day to do a tour of this property. We are here on North Carolina Avenue, Capitol Hill, for today's open streets. It's a festival happening right here, North Carolina Avenue. The vendors are out here every weekend, food, clothes, artisans, and this is what Capitol Hill is all about. And now we just popped out half a block and right here, 649 C Street, Unit 208. Let's go on in, let's take a tour. Welcome, come on in. So this 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom is being offered, like I said, as an estate sale, which means that some of the finishes will need your special touch. Got high ceilings, 9-foot ceilings. You got a walk-through closet that goes to the Jack and Jill bathroom that has a water closet as well. The combined living room, dining room is really special. You've got a little nook here. You've got more than enough space to have a full living room set and a full dining room set, and it's just covered in windows. And you're looking, if you look out the window here, you're looking right at Eastern Market. You've got concrete brick framing. So open up the windows, you got the live music, close them down, and you've got a serene and beautiful, large 7 blocks from the United States Capitol. So you can't beat it. Let's go check out the roof deck. This courtyard, it walks right into the Penn Mall. This is all space reserved for residents of the Penmark building. And you can grill out here, have a party out here. Neither this nor the roof deck need to be booked or reserved. You can use them anytime. And they do have a beautiful herb garden as well.